Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is part two for reading IELTS, and we will talk about the television. Television is one of our world's most important means of communications. It shows us information programs like the news, documentaries, and sport events. We can watch films, listen to interviews, and hear the sounds of events that happen far away. Television teaches us about countries and cultures, and we can enjoy entertainment like series, comedies, game shows, or sitcoms. A television can be used for other things. You can record shows and films. And television has been influencing our lives since it was developed over 60 years, 80 years ago. It is an important way of spending our free time and shapes people's opinion about various issues. The internet gives us more ways to watch televisions. The internet gave us more ways to watch television. Some time ago, most of us watched television in old-fashioned way. The whole family got together, sit on a couch, flip through the channels, and watch a prime time TV shows or football game. Today, the media, especially television, is changing. The internet has caused a fundamental The internet has caused a fundamental change in the world of television. People watch TV on their mobile phones, laptops, or iPads. They watch different things at the same time on different kinds of device. We watch TV in the same way that we used to listen the radio. We turn it on but really don't concentrate on it because we are doing many things at the same time. TV is not really in danger. TV, however, is not really in danger. The number of people with TV sets is still increasing. Big TV events like the Super Bowl still draw millions of viewers in front of the TV set. Today, we have more than one way of watching television. Not only can we follow our favorite program on different mobile devices, but we can also choose what we watch and when. Hulu, for example, is a platform that offers on-demand episodes of TV shows and movies. We can record them and watch them wherever we want. Traditional television means that you could only watch one program at one time and you had to be there or else you miss it. In the days of digital content, many of us have a digital video recorder or smartphone with which we can watch TV. A company in California has already invented a media device with which you can record TV content and watch it on smartphones, laptops, iPads, and other devices. Youngsters especially watch TV and surf the web at the same time. The internet has not destroyed television but giving us more way to watch. Along came TV and film. With the advent of television, commercial transformed into short films, catchy, funny, or heartwarming. Meanwhile, towering billboards along highway become the art of the quick pitch, making passive impression in just seconds. Each era had its unique charm, reflecting how brand constantly to reach us in creative ways. And here several vocabularies. Old-fashioned wise like cara kuno, sat on a couch, duduk di sofa, flip through the channels, memindah-mindahkan saluran, invent, menemukan, youngsters, anak muda, destroyed, menghancurkan. Okay, that's all for this part for about television. See you next time.